So what are the payment options you could use to book your jet ski ride at Popeye Jetski? So you can either book on our website with the payment options you will find here. It's either MasterCard, Visa card, cryptocurrency, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. Then you can do the checkout on our website. If you go to Jetski, then choose your ride, like Jetski 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90, 120 minutes. For example, the most favorite one of the people, 60 minutes. Then choose your date, time, do the checkout. It's a simple process. Or you go to our station where we are right now and pay via card here. And you can also pay with cash, of course.